Let's cut it open. I'm gonna cut it open this way. So I'm gonna slide the box out. Yeah. Yeah, I already know. Oh, man, that joint look nice. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I see what they doing. I see them. I ain't mad at them at all, bruh. At all. Like, okay, so it comes in this box, right? And then they got another box. And then they covered it with some paper. You know what I'm saying? Nice and neat. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, they took they, you know what I'm saying? Oh, heard the shoe. But, here it comes. Let's do some mad scientist type shit going on. That's the box. The box within the box within the box. Oh, this is some pretty. Okay. Okay. You can see it comes with a nice little wrapping. You know what I'm saying? They did the box. You know what I'm saying? So the box don't get damaged. They put some tissue paper or whatever. Okay. Look. And on this side. Oh. Oh, they got a little tab. Like, yo, like, this shit is official, bruh. Like, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. You know what I'm saying? I'm really impressed. Look, they got on the box, BoogieBlaze42O by me. You know what I'm saying? Government name, which I really don't like. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that type deal. But yeah, look at that. BoogieBlaze42O, got the little caption. Got the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what it say about the shoe. Oh, shit just falling. I don't know what's going on. What this say? I ain't even take the paper off yet. You feel me? I ain't even take the paper off yet, and this is gonna be a long ass video. All right. Size 9.5, male. Okay. We about to unwrap this paper. I really don't wanna. They wrapped it so nice. I really don't wanna fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? But it's just some paper. Ain't no sticker or nothing on there. It's just tissue paper. So we about to rip all that. Okay. I don't know what possessed me to go with this color. I must have got high when I did it. Because for real, it shouldn't have been this color. But that's something that I did. So yeah, now I know why they put the tape on this joint. Like, y'all about to blow y'all mind. I'm about to blow y'all mind for real. Yep, I did that. But check it out. You know what I'm saying? Wow, that joint wasn't supposed to, you know what I'm saying? But I guess when I first made these, I was just going, oh, that shit look nice. You know what I'm saying? That's what you do. Ooh, that look nice. These are the first pair I ever created. That's why I literally like bought them. You know what I'm saying? But freaking, y'all can. I don't know if y'all can. Trying to get back. This box is so damn big. This box is pretty big, bro. It's big. But I'm gonna fade out. Look, I'm gonna fade out and let you see box. Yeah. You can come back in right now. All right. So, peep game. All right. So, you got the little tab, right? Y'all ready? Y'all not ready. Y'all is not ready. Look, I'm gonna hold the box like this. You know what I'm saying? It sucks when you the only cameraman and the motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, star of the show and all that. One man show. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? Yeah. Yo, custom box, my nigga. It's like a drawer. so you can stack the box and just pull out the shoes that you want. I got a shoe drawer. I got a shoe drawer, my nigga. These shits is fire. Yo. 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 Don't wear these shit out. Gotta waterproof these, man. But yeah, these, oh, man, only, oh my gosh, my nigga, these shit.